Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by launching Garageband and creating a new track. Choose audio recorder for voice or keyboard for tones. Record a short clip under 30 seconds so it fits notification limits, and enable the metronome to keep timing consistent. Once done, trim the region to the exact start and end points, and normalize volume so the sound is clear on small speakers. This helps notifications cut through ambient noise without being too loud. Now refine the clip. Split and trim unwanted sections, add quick fades, or loop a motif to fit a notification length. Apply light EQ and compression so the sound translates well on phone speakers. Aim for peaks around -3 dB to avoid distortion. Once polished, go to My Songs, long press the project, choose Share Right Arrow Ringtone, and set export length to 30 seconds or less. This ensures compatibility with iPhone notification and ringtone limits. Finally, install and test. After exporting as a ringtone, assign it in settings Right Arrow Sounds and Haptics for the desired alert. Test the tone with messages and app notifications, and toggle Do Not Disturb to confirm behavior. If the tone doesn't appear or is silent, make sure Export Completed, re-export at a shorter length, or move the file via iCloud/files then sync. These fixes address permission and format hiccups, so your custom Garageband notification works reliably across apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.